Okay, this lesson today is a video on how to do a 2-point calibration on a GLI pH probe. What we have here is a wastewater application. We've got a pH probe. I've already done some of the preparatory work. So the first step in doing a calibration on one of these things is you'll come up to the controller. You'll hit the menu option on the controller. That will bring you into a main menu. We're on calibrate here. We'll select calibration. We want to calibrate the sensor, so we'll enter sensor there. We'll select 2-point buffer and we'll push enter here. And then when you're in operation, you'll want to hold your outputs on your controller. So I'm going to press enter there, and then it's asking me if the buffer's in the first solution. At that point, what you'll do is you'll pull your probe from your process, shut your valve, bring your probe out of your process, and ensure that it's cleaned. I've done most of the cleaning on this one already. What I'm going to do is rinse it with some deionized water, and then I'm going to bring it down here and place it in. I've got two solutions down here. One's a 7 and one's a 10. So I'm going to place a probe in the 7 solution, lean it back, and then I'm going to go ahead and push enter on the controller because it's asking if it's in the first solution, and it's going to wait until it sees that at a 7 pH. This may take a little bit of time. Okay, so it's reading a 6.98 on point 1. At that point, you'll remove your probe from your 7, bring it out, rinse the tip again with deionized water. It's asking now if the buffer's in the second solution. So I'm going to go ahead and put the probe in the 10, lean it back, and then I'm going to press enter on the controller. And after I push enter, it will begin to calibrate to the 10. May take a little bit of time. At this point, it's saying point 2 is calibrated to a 9.95 pH. It gives the pH slope of 49.6 millivolts pH. I'm going to push enter. It's going to ask confirm calibration OK. I do want to confirm it OK. I'm going to push enter, and then it asks to confirm active. Before I activate it, I'll remove the probe from the 10, bring it out, go ahead and rinse it off. And then I'm going to reinsert it to the process. Open my valve. Reseat the probe. Tighten the union. And then I'll go back to the controller. At that point, I'll go ahead and activate the probe. And it's reading our process right now at a 7.272625. It'll stabilize here in just a few seconds. Looks like it's going to stabilize around a 7.12. And like I said, that's the calibration process for a GLI Model 53 pH probe on a 2-point buffer. It's good.